Okay folks, a very bright sunny day and we are off to Air Force Station Yelahanka for the full dress rehearsal of Aero India 2021.
Hello everyone, welcome to a very special edition of Tarmac Talking, coming to you from Air Force Station Yelahanka here. Today is the full dress rehearsal we are going to witness in some time. We will see all the Desi birds and all other air assets of Indian Air Force doing a fly past. And we'll get you all the action, whatever unfolds here. And please do remember there are lots of COVID restrictions in place, and because of that, the crowd and perhaps the static display what you see is definitely lesser than what we saw in the last years. During the flying display, what you should watch, the one thing that is special is the integrated flight display of the Surya Kirans and the Sarans. And behind me you can see Hamara Tejas proudly shining there along with other buddies, other assets of Indian Air Force. Roughly it's going to be an hour and a half, so we'll get you the edited version with the highlights. Enjoy this special show. Okay, so that is the Atmanirbhar formation of the HAL products, and in front is the Tejas. You can see the HTT, the Hawkeye and the Dornier. So you have 6 fixed-wing platforms and the LCA and that's the AWNC. The Tejas coming in the formation, that is the Tejas, Hamara Tejas. So you have the Su-30, the Jaguars and the Hawk all on a formation now. So that is the 2 Hawks, 2 Jaguars and 1 Sukhoi.
Flying in from your left, you can now see the Swiss formation consisting 3 Sukhois on the MKI in wing formation, led by Group Captain Gera. It will carry out a pursuit maneuver now.
That is the Sukhois.
The light combat helicopter. Though light in weight, this machine carries a punch of a heavy weight. The slim platform of light combat helicopter is designed to remain rock steady of straight line with minimal vibration, making it an ideal platform for weapon delivery. The impact proven only during its extended weapon drive. The helicopter has discharged itself with exemplary fashion. And all its trials, and is now being produced in numbers for operational service. The display today is being performed by Wing Commander AFP John and Group Captain Supinder Singh of FDR.
So this is the most awaited integrated aerobatic display involving both Surya Kirans and the sarangs. And please remember, this for the first time in the world you have a fixed wing and a rotor wing coming together. Never ever anywhere in the world you had seen this kind of an integrated display of two different platforms from two different families, helicopter and fixed wing. And one is Hawk, other is the ALH. And now here we have 4 ALH and the entire Surya Kiran team in full flow. The 9-member Surya Kiran team, and they're all now warming up for the integrated show. I can see the sarangs are now lining up from a corner. So on the other side you have the Surya Kirans. Apparently there is a change in the formation. The sarangs are coming in for the diamond formation, and that's an amazing sight. As always, the Bangalore bird, now part of Indian Air Force, now part of the Sarang aerobatic display team, and the sarangs are based in Air Force Station Sulur now, and you can see that crossover there with both. These are amazing visuals. Apparently that is a Sukhoi formation. I'm trying to pick up from the commentator the Sukhoi formation by the Surya Kirans. That's what you are seeing now. And now you can see a different kind of a formation by the Surya Kirans. This is a different one. The previous one was the Sukhoi formation. So that was the action from Air Force Station Yelahanka during the full dress rehearsal today. I'm sure in the coming days you will see more action coming to you. We'll try to get you very interesting inputs. We'll try to get you something different. This year's edition of Aero India formally takes off tomorrow. Remember, it's a 3-day show this time, and we will try to get also the stories of as much as unsung heroes we can. Please do remember to subscribe to this channel. Please do remember to send your feedback. And please do remember to tell others if you find our reports interesting. Thank you for watching Tarmak007. Jai Hind.